Hello my beautiful Sahi queens. Today I'm going to show you guys how to properly contour, conceal, and bake your face in 2020, where our motto is less is more. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is prime our face using the Mystic Primer Serum by Sahi Cosmetics. This has niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, so not only is it brightening and anti-aging, it also plumps and hydrates your skin. This is a great way to eliminate multiple steps in the morning by using this as your hydrator, your serum, and also your primer. So I'm liberally applying this all over my skin. It smells like grapefruit and it is very cooling to the skin. Your skin instantly just soaks it all up. Trust me, your skin will thank you by using this product. Next, contrary to popular belief, I'm gonna go straight into my foundation so that I can lay down my base, and then afterwards we will go in and build up any concealer or contouring that we wanna do. So I'm going in with the Skin Perfecting Elixir by Sahi Cosmetics. Again, we're reducing steps because this has ceramide for hydrating your skin. It has anti-aging peptides. It is a full coverage with a natural matte finish, and it has SPF 50+. So we are going to make sure all of your bases are covered when using this product. Now, the first thing you want to do is apply a couple of pumps to the back of your hand. I'm going to do 3 just so I can get a very nice coverage for this video. And we're going to allow the product to warm up with the heat from our hand. This takes about 30 seconds, but I'm telling you it will help the ceramide and the moisturizing ingredients sort of relax a little bit so it glides more smoothly onto your skin. That's one of my biggest secrets to applying proper, flawless foundation. So using a synthetic kabuki brush, I am just stippling it onto my skin now, and you can see it instantaneously just gets rid of any redness. Alright my Sahi queens, the next thing we're going to do is take the Marble Diamond Beauty Blender that we saw off our website, and we're going to just pat the foundation in. It is damp. I went and cleaned it in my kitchen sink and I squeezed out any of the excess water. So we are just tapping it onto our skin to get rid of any brush strokes that we might have had. Alright, let's go into the actual contour and baking bit. So we are using the XL Contour and Baking Palette by Sahi Cosmetics. I recommend this one, not because I formulated it myself, but because these pans are massive. They are double the product than what you would get from a normal contour palette. So I'm going in at the top with the cream orange color corrector, and I'm going to apply this right under my eyes where I have my dark circles. And that orange is gonna counterbalance any purple or blue colors that you have there. Next, we're gonna go into the cream color right next to it, and we're going to conceal our under eyes and any blemishes that we might have on our skin. I like to go in with our creamy concealer in the shade Light and go over that just a little to bring more brightness under my eyes, because when I'm under camera, then you really see my dark circles. So going over that area that we just concealed, I'm going in with this shade, stippling it on. Pick up your Marble Diamond Beauty Blender and go ahead and pack that in, smooth out any excess product. Then you can go ahead and use any of the powders down here, either the translucent powder or the banana powder, to set the under eyes. I like to pack a little bit of the translucent powder on my forehead wherever I see I have a little bit of wrinkles, and that just gets me photo ready. Next, we're going to take a contour brush and we're going to go into the cream contour down here. Pick up a little bit of product and go ahead and swipe it right where you see the hollows of your cheeks. Bring it down the ear and swipe it down, just like that. And I also like to take this at the top hair a little bit by my hairline and swipe this, kind of connect it down to the cheeks. Using the same brush, I'm going to follow up with the cocoa powder at the bottom. This is going to set in any of the bronzing that we just did. That way, if you touch your face when you're at work, or you're resting your head on your hand, your makeup won't actually come off. You can also take that cocoa powder and go down the bridge of your nose, the sides of the bridge of your nose, so you can actually contour your nose with the same powder. Don't forget to bring it up top so you sort of connect to your eyebrows. Alright, and you can follow up by using any blush. My favorite is the Rose Gold blush by Sahi Cosmetics. It's a baked blush and it blends very nicely with whatever contour you're doing to give it a natural effect and appearance to your cheeks. And lastly, this is an optional step, but you can just top this off with any highlighting powder that you like. There, that's it. If you want to do an additional step, you can use the same cocoa powder and actually contour your eyelids with it. If you have time in the morning, I know we're all sort of busy trying to rush to work and everything. But just swiping this powder back and forth within the crease line of your eyes makes it look like you're wearing eye makeup without having to go in and do any heavy eyeshadows or anything. That is it. I'll top off my lips using the shade Alia from Sahi Cosmetics. And this is the finished look. It's a very natural contour. You can wear this to work, you can wear this to school, and it won't be too offensive. It's a contour that you can wear in real life. It's not something that will look extreme on camera, so if you want to do photo shoots or something, you would go a little bit heavier with these products. But this is a great everyday look so that when you go out into the sun or you're standing in line at the grocery store, you don't have these harsh and jagged lines all over your face. And these products are buildable, so if you want to go heavy with any of these products, you can, but this is just a very simple, easy way to do an everyday contour and conceal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe because I post videos every single week, twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday.